what is actually the collateral composition? So big part is sitting in stablecoins, USDC mainly, earning the underlying T-bill yield. It's at 52%. Then the on-chain lending, it's structured only around the blue chip assets and their derivatives, so Bitcoin and ETH. Next, we got OTC lending. It's structured similar way, also with the same kind of assets, but here rather legal agreements are bonding and not the smart contracts. Then the T-bills, it's 14.5% of the collateral composition, and the underlying yield is coming from Janus Henderson and fund, as well as the BlackRock's BIDL. When it comes to corporate debt, AAA corporate debt, it's 4.5% of the allocation. And once again, we see Janus Henderson, JAAA, CLO fund, as well as Securitize Stack CLO fund. And then lastly, 2% in the bracket called Others. Here we can see private credit and basis trade.